Any town that has a monument to the durian is worth a visit. After spending Christmas with friends in Phnom Penh, I decided to do a solo road trip. First stop, Kampot, a town close to the Vietnamese border. It's now late afternoon, and I take a stroll along the riverfront. I find a quieter spot to sit and watch the sunset. The next morning I join a tour to Bokor Mountain. This is one of the main reasons I came to Kampot. It was to be a highlight of the 2 days I spent here, and it turned out to be so. There are spectacular views of the coastline at many points along the way. And here we have the remains of a royal palace, the so-called Black Palace, which was the residence of none other than King Sihanouk. It fell into disrepair during the period of the Khmer Rouge dictatorship in the 1970s. And although King Sihanouk was restored to the throne after the fall of the Khmer Rouge, the palace was not restored. Our guide was a well-informed local resident of Kampot who was born a year before the Khmer Rouge came to power. There is also a Buddhist temple complex up here on the mountain. It was built in the 1920s by King Sisowath Monavong, who died here on the mountain in 1941. The island seen here in the distance is Phu Quoc, which belongs to Vietnam. It has an international airport and a thriving tourism industry. Here we can see the remains of a Catholic church, also built in the 1920s. In fact, this area was developed by the French as a hill station. Cambodia was a French protectorate from 1863 to 1953. In other words, it was a French colony. While the church has not been restored, there are some clear signs that it remains a site of religious devotion. This is a view across the French hill station. In the distance is a hotel. It too was built in the 1920s, and it's used as a hotel today. It looks like they're preparing for a New Year's Eve party. Today is the 30th of December. Here is a final panorama across the former French hill station. This whole area was only reopened to the public in 1998 after pockets of Khmer Rouge resistance dissolved. In a moment you'll see in the distance a new town under construction. This is a Chinese town and it includes a casino. I enjoy a final walk along the riverfront. Tomorrow I'm catching a bus home to Vietnam. Thanks for watching.